Most of the days of July, I have made one video talking about the multiple factors that could be affecting your weight loss both positively and negatively, and I'm so happy that many of you follow me. So many of you have subscribed to my YouTube channel. You all are writing me emails and you all are making me feel inspired every day, because I think the greatest reward is the inspiration to do more, and that is possible only when a person knows that they are making a difference. More important, what I want to thank you for is today whatever I will be sharing as an answer to the question I asked yesterday is the answer which all you people have given me. So what was yesterday's question? Yesterday's question was, does sleep affect the way your body reacts, and does sleep cause weight loss or weight gain? And below that, a lot of proactive, dynamic, well-read people wrote answers, and they revealed to us what they understand of how sleep affects weight loss. And I think most of you understand this anyways. So why this question and why this video? These are just gentle reminders. These are gentle reminders to tell you that we know certain things and we say, I know this, but we don't do this. So I just want to remind you that please take what you know to a place that you do it, and be a little more nicer to yourself, kinder to yourself, because most of the times we are after weight loss because we're not feeling good about ourselves, and that is not a place where Skin Sense operates from. Please start feeling good about yourself, start taking steps to respect yourself, and then go that extra mile and do whatever your aspirational self says, but begin from a happy place. Please take good care of yourself. Having said that, sleep and weight loss, yes, less sleep is going to cause weight gain. Less sleep is going to slow down the digestion. Slowed down digestion is going to slow down absorption. Less absorption is less nutrition. Less nutrition is weight gain. Again, eating too less or eating too less is not going to allow you to sleep well, and because you haven't slept well, you are further going to have an irregular metabolism. If you do not sleep well, if you are restless throughout the night, your hormones are going to be disturbed, your circulation may be disturbed, your gastric juices may be disturbed, definitely your digestion and absorption is going to be disturbed, and that is not going to help you in your weight loss. Another thing I want to tell you is that less sleep is stressful. Not sleeping enough is going to disturb you more than ever, and stress causes cortisol, a stress hormone, and the more cortisol you have in the body, the more chances of what you eat turning into fat and depositing around the abdominal area, and none of us want that. It neither looks good and it causes lot of harm to the body. So what's the solution? How much should you sleep? Listen to your body. This morning also I spoke about listening to my body. I do know how much sleep my body requires, because the body always talks to us. Depends on the energy levels, the enthusiasm levels that you feel the next day. You will know how much sleep your body requires. We need not go by textbooks or what people say, because if we listen well, we will know for ourselves. And once we know how much sleep my body requires, here is a very smart way to get that amount of sleep. See, we have to wake up at a certain time in the morning because we do have responsibilities, and we have to wake up at that time and do whatever we need to do. But we can choose what time we sleep. Most of us do not sleep on time because we probably reading something, watching something, doing some kind of thing on social media, and we can avoid that. So put a sleep alarm. So need not put a wake up alarm. I know my body requires around 7 to 7.5 hours of sleep, and I know I got to wake up at 7:30 in the morning. That's when my day begins. So I put a sleep alarm at 12 o'clock, and then I make sure that my body gets the right amount of rest without stressing myself for it. In fact, I do not need a wake up alarm at all. But the sleep alarm has really changed my life. I hope you found this useful, meaningful, and a new way of looking at things. Thank you so much for participating in all my questions. It's a wonderful journey with you.